So for the last 20 years, I've been using these simple but effective tie downs on my trail bikes and my naked bikes. And you've seen me put bikes on my ute and just tie them down super effectively with these alone. But what happens when you have sports bikes like the Ducati and the Aprilia, where there's nowhere, the triple cherry is nowhere to be seen, and more importantly, if you try to tie it down, there's no room on the handlebars. And worse still, if you do manage to get it around the handlebars, when you go to tie it down, it rubs on the paintwork. So what do? Well, I have a solution for that. Hey everyone, welcome to Roads of Oz. My name is Matt, and on today's episode, we're looking at this Oxford bar strap kit. So recently when I went to pick up the GSXR, I realized I didn't have a suitable tie down kit to tie down a sports bike. Now, a mate of mine lent me his and I really liked it. I went out shopping for one and most places sell this Oxford tie down kit. So recently I purchased this one here. Let's have a closer look at it. You've got this nice felt bit. These things here go over your hand grips and then you're able to tie it down like this. Now there are more expensive ones out there, but this one seemed to work very well. And I gave it a good test recently, not only transporting the GSXR to storage, and I've used it on my GPZ 750, but I did a long trip picking up a motorcycle. The first time I used them was a bit of a baptism of fire for them. It was around a 700 odd kilometer trip. Now, in all that distance, there were some bumpy roads and it held up beautifully. Now, I would recommend you put additional tie downs to the side and the back, but the front, they held it down very well, and you can see they've got very good clearance and won't rub on the fairing and destroy your paintwork. If you are looking at transporting a sports bike, the bar strap kit is a much better option than trying to use the simple tie downs that you would use on your trail bike, or worse still, some cheap ass ratchet strap setup. It's only going to end in tears, where they're designed to go over your bars, tie it down, and it holds it in extremely well. In the case of this Oxford bar strap kit, I found the straps here aren't as wide as much more expensive ones, but even still, they've done the job nicely. Never had an issue with the bike falling thanks to these, and more importantly, it didn't do any damage to the paintwork. So well worth investing in. Here in Australia, they start at about $75 and they go up from there. My recommendation is, although these ones work fine, if you're going to be transporting bikes regularly, I'd stump up a bit of extra cash for other brands that their straps are much thicker. Anyway, hope this was very interesting. Thanks for watching, and check out some other review videos just up here.